Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view pages side by side here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing pages side by side in Canva is a simple process that can be useful for a variety of reasons, especially when working on multi-page projects or ensuring a design consistency. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or design that you wanted to view side by side. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can start from business template, social media, education, video, or if you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design button here. Now, in my case, I'm going to upload a simple thumbnail that I'm going to use later after recording this video in our T-Plaf's YouTube channel. Now, for you to be able to see all the pages side by side, for example, we're going to create another page. Maybe this time we're going to add videos, kind of like this one right here. You see, there's no way for you to be able to see the pages side by side, right? Even if you use the zoom in, zoom out feature. But instead, I want you to hover to the bottom right where you can see this option right here that says grid view. And from here, you can see all the pages side by side. One is this, the second page is that. All right, because viewing multiple pages at once allows you to maintain consistent design elements such as fonts, colors, and layouts across pages. This is particularly important for projects like presentations, ebooks, reports, or brochures where you all want pages to look cohesive. Now, if you want to revert back, just click on the close grid view. You see there's going to be a scroll view right here if you want, if that's what you need. For example, if you add more pages here, like another video on the side, say for example this one, and you wanted to add another page for your presentation such as this. Okay. Now, if you want to see all the pages again side by side, click the grid view. As you can see, viewing pages side by side allows you to see how information progresses and whether the sequence of pages aligns with your intended messaging or narrative. Once you are happy with this, all you're going to do is click on share button. You can download this as an MP4, or if you want to share this to your client or your team collaborator, just click on the copy link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.